Do department-related parliamentary standing committees keep the administration on its toes and inspire reverence for parliamentary control? Evaluate the working of such committees with suitable examples. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. Department-related parliamentary standing committees, DRPSCs, are essential tools for parliamentary control over the executive in India. They help maintain checks and balances by examining government policies, legislation, and administration. Body. Functions of DRPSCs. They examine demands for grants and scrutinize the expenditure of ministries. They review legislation and suggest amendments. They investigate specific policy matters or issues referred by Parliament. They ensure accountability by holding the executive responsible for its actions. Effectiveness of DRPSCs. By scrutinizing demands for grants and expenditures, DRPSCs enhance financial accountability and ensure effective use of public funds. Their review of legislation helps refine the lawmaking process, avoiding hasty decisions. Investigating policy matters allows DRPSCs to provide valuable recommendations on issues of national importance. They create a platform for the executive to explain and justify its actions, ensuring accountability. Challenges and limitations. Limited time and resources hinder comprehensive scrutiny of all matters. Lack of domain expertise among members can affect the quality of recommendations. Partisan politics may overshadow the deliberations and decision-making in committees. Recommendations made by DRPSCs are not binding on the government. Examples of DRPSCs at work. The 31st report of the Standing Committee on Information Technology, 2018-19, examined data security issues and made recommendations for strengthening data protection in India. The Standing Committee on Finance's report on the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, 2016, suggested amendments, many of which were included in the final legislation. Conclusion. By addressing challenges and strengthening DRPSCs, India can enhance its system of parliamentary control and inspire greater respect for the institution of parliament.